Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you about the Forever Living products, like how to unboxing Forever Living products. This is my first time of having Forever Living products, so I'm gonna show you what we have got for Forever Living products. Let me just unbox this. So what we have here, let's see. We have got so here you can see that this is aloe avocado face and body soap. So here you can see this. So it is like a body soap that you can use for your skin. Here it is written, here is like it is made of aloe vera, that you can see, for cleansing the skin as needed. And what else we have here is, you can see this is the aloe jojoba shampoo. Here it's written, here is, you can see this as 296 ml of Forever shampoo here. And what else we have here, let's see. So this two, let me put this in the aside. So this is your Desire by Forever, that is body spray, again made of aloe vera. Here you can see, and this is looking really great, and we're gonna use this one. We're gonna try this out. And then we have again is bee honey, that is natural. Here it is written is 500 gram Forever bee honey. So, and the last product we have here from Forever, I'm gonna show you, it's a bright tooth gel. This something looks like this, you can see here. And it's again, it is written here 130 grams. So yeah, we cannot see this, all these things. So then we can come to know how it feels like. So that's it from the Forever that I have got from today. And this is my first time, I ordered, and I'm really excited that all these products to be used, how it feels like. So till then, take care, have a wonderful day ahead.